Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. MGP offered 9 seats, GVP 5, Benjamin and Avertan 1 each. GVP unhappy. MGP demands constituencies of their choice. Crucial meeting on Saturday. Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu's maiden rail budget, no increase in rail fares, no new trains, announces 24/7 helpline from 1st March, 17,000 bio-toilets. Foundation stone laying ceremony for water tank at Porvorim, Sudin unable to attend. Rohan says, let's show the government power of independent MLAs. And Priyanka Kashyap shunted to special branch and ATS. Umesh Gaonkar takes over as North Goa SP. Transfer in wake of dance bars and drugs issues in Kalangut. And now the news in detail. MGP has been offered 9 seats, GVP 5, Benjamin and Avertan 1 each for Zilla Panchayat poll. Sources have confirmed Prudent that GVP is not happy with the offer, while MGP will agree only after they get desired constituencies. A group of BJP leaders is active to outwit MGP and has demanded that coalition partner may be given unfavorable constituencies. Another round of meeting to finalize seat allotment is expected within next 2 days.
Rounds of meetings to sort out issues related to Zilla Panchayat poll were held in Delhi. First, BJP core committee met Raksha Mantri Manohar Parrikar in Delhi. PWD Minister Sudin Dhavlikar met BJP leaders on Wednesday in Delhi. Mickey had a meeting on Thursday in Delhi. As per sources, MGP has been offered 9 seats, GVP 5 seats, and Benjamin Silva and Avertan Furtado will get 1 seat each. Sources inform that GVP has demanded 7 seats. Negotiations are on between BJP and GVP over seat sharing. On the other side, MGP has agreed for 9 seats, but they want to choose the constituencies of their choice. When we contacted the concerned leaders for clarifications, we got different versions.
म्हाका इन प्रिंसिपल सद्याक 7 दिले ताणी कितली 7 दिले
सर हे 7 तूं सॅटिस्फायड आहाय तूं
ना हांव म्हाका दिसता मुगे हांवें कितें मुगे हिसाबान बस दिल्ले मागला सो म्हज्यान स्वर्ग मागूंक जायना स्वर्ग मेळना म्हणून जाणा सो स्वर्ग मागपा जायना आनी जी वस्त मेळना ती मागून फायदो ना त्या खातीर मुगे लिमिटीन कितें जाता तें हांवें मागलां.
एट दीस स्टेज कोणाक 10 मेळ्ळ्या कोणाक 12 मेळ्ळ्या कोणाक 25 मेळ्ळ्या हेका अर्थ ना अर्थ इतलोच आसा युती जावपाक जाय आनी ती जातली ह्या बद्दल दुमत ना.
As per sources, a section of the BJP leaders is actively working against the MGP. Leaders have demanded that MGP be given those constituencies which are not favorable to them. Now the number are finalized. Next, the parties will meet to finalize the constituencies on Saturday. Senior reporter Lokik Shilkar for Prudent.
Swachh Bharat Mission, Make in India and Digital India. With these some of the key themes, Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu presented Rail Budget 2015-16 on Thursday. There is no increase in rail fares nor any announcements of new trains. All India 24/7 helpline will be started by 1st March 2015. Railways will get 17,000 bio-toilets and airplane-type vacuum toilets in trains. Rail tickets can now be booked 120 days in advance.
We want to make Swachh Rail the driving force behind this government's flagship program, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. Hence, we now work on Swachh Rail, Swachh Bharat. How to improve quality of life in journeys? Madam, I am happy to say, and I am sure all my house will join me, I have not increased the passenger fares. We are directing our efforts to make travel on Indian Railways a happy experience with mix of several initiatives. We have fixed 4 goals for ourselves. Goal number 1, to deliver a sustained and measurable improvement in customer experience. About cleanliness, comfort, accessibility, service quality and speed of train. Make rail a safer means of travel. Third, expand Bharatiya Rail's capacity substantially and to modernize its infrastructure. Fourth, Objective is to finally make Bharatiya Rail financially self-sustainable. We propose to introduce an SMS alert service to inform passengers in advance about the updated arrival and departure time of trains at starting and destination stations. Similarly, SMS alert would be sent 15-30 minutes in advance of arrival of the train at the destination. For the safety of our women passengers, surveillance cameras will be provided on a pilot basis in selected mainline coaches and ladies' compartment of suburban coaches without compromising the privacy. We also intend commissioning 800 kilometers of gauge conversion. Additionally, we have sanctioned 77 projects covering 9,400 kilometers of doubling, tripling, quadrupling works along with their electrification at a total cost of, Madam, 96,182 crores. Honorable members of Parliament will be happy to note that these projects cover almost all states. You should be happy.
People are with me. We will get a candidate elected in Sokor, which is placed in Saligaon. I will fight the wrongdoings of this government. MLA Rohan Kaunte said it during the foundation stone laying ceremony of construction of 650 cubic meter water tank at Kare Porwari. PWD Minister Sudin Daulikar was supposed to attend the function, but he did not. Rohan said he was stuck in Margaon and couldn't make it.
PWD Minister Sudin Dhavrikar did not turn up for the inauguration of laying of foundation stone for 650 cubic meter water tank at Kare Porwari. Rohan Kaunte said Sudin stuck in Madgaon, but his wishes are with us. Rohan's proximity to Sudin has become a topic of discussion in Goan political circle.
He is in Margaon right now, and because of the delay, he has conveyed that haven't inaugurate करून काढचो. I was trying, when I spoke to the engineers of PWD, they have conveyed that we will do the inauguration, and Minister has given his best wishes and the function begin करून घ्या म्हणून सांगला म्हणून.
Rohan Kaunte has pledged to wage a war against government's wrongdoings.
आणि लास्ट 2 महिने हांवें सामको उजोत पेटयला की हांव लागतलो हांच्या फाटल्यान खरें ते खरें, कित्याक म्हजें मानप एक, कितें खरें आसा तें खरें आसा, कितें फट आसा तें फट आसा. IAS आणि पेपरी वाचता आसतना दिसता खंयचे ग्रुप तयार जाले आनी कितें जालें, आमी खंय ग्रुप तयार जावना. आज सगळे जे आमदार BJPचे जावं, काँग्रेसचे जावं, अपक्ष जावं, जे विचार मांडपाक सोदता बऱ्या गोंया खातीर ते एक कडेन आयिल्ले आसा. ZP इलेक्शन येता, परवरीक वाटून खाली हुकूर काडला आनी सालिगांव, पार्रा आनी गिरी घालो. लोकांनी म्हणलं काय नजो, कितें फरक पडटा. आमकां समज तेवटेन घालो, आमी आमचो उमेदवार घालया आणि आमी निवडून हाडया, ताका दाखोवया, सरकाराक दाखोवया की अपक्षाची ताकद जी आसा ती पार्टीपेक्षा चड आसा म्हणून.
Omkar Farari for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.